everyone, and welcome to SafeWise. Today we have an update for an earlier video on the Wyze plug. It seems like we left you with more questions than answers, so we're here to make it right. This time around, we've got troubleshooting tips, setup information, and some footage of the Wyze plug in action. All right, let's get started. This is the newest version of the Wyze plug, and it turns everyday objects into smart objects. In the package, you'll find instructions and 2 wall outlets. Pretty simple. First, remove the plastic wrapping from the plug and pop it into a 3-pronged outlet. Look for the blue light in the corner to indicate that it's on and ready to pair with your app. Next, add a new device in the app. You'll see a small plus sign in the top left corner of your screen. From there, find the Wyze plug under the power and lighting category. Choose your type of Wyze plug to get going. There are 2 types of Wyze plugs, the classic version and the 2021 version. Check the back of your plug to tell the difference. If it has a key icon, it's the 2021 version. If the light doesn't blink or start up, reset the plug by pressing the button on the left side. When the light starts blinking, check the box and click Next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to use and wait for the plug to connect. Be sure the network band you're choosing is 2.4 GHz. Avoid 5 GHz or 5 GHz. Your plug won't work on that network. Once it's connected, the app will ask you to name your device. Wyze offers some preset devices like lamps and coffee makers, but you can name your plug anything you want. When your Wyze plug's been named and is connected to the Wi-Fi, you're good to go. You'll see a couple options afterwards to share permissions with others or connect with your Amazon Echo automatically. Also, you may see the option to update your firmware for your smart plug. We recommend doing that too. Like all tech, the Wyze plug isn't immune to hiccups. So here are a few common problems people have had and how to fix them. Be sure the network you're using is 2.4 GHz. The Wyze plug won't work on 5 GHz, but if you're on the right network band and it still isn't working, try some of these options. Press and hold the button on the side of the Wyze plug. Try plugging it in again. Restart your router, or try another outlet. Here's some advice directly from Wyze. Make sure you have the latest version of the Wyze app and that you're connected to your Wi-Fi on your phone too. If you're on iPhone, turn on the location settings, and if you're on Android, turn off your data. It only has to be temporarily while you're setting it up. You can turn it back on after, but sometimes these things can interfere with setup. I personally fell victim to this roadblock and felt kind of dumb afterwards once I fixed it, but it turns out you have to have whatever fan or device you're plugging into the Wyze turned on for it to work. You might see the little offline icon in the menu. That just means turn it on. That way your device can connect to the Wyze plug and get power from it. Once you've made contact, be sure to keep that switch on so it can continue to pull power, and just control it with your phone through the Wyze app, your smart speaker app, or your voice. If all else fails, you can get troubleshooting help through the app with Wyze Customer Assistance. Wyze's Help Center online has resources on product questions, connectivity issues, integrating with other products, and more. We link to that in the description. Also, be sure you're using a 3-pronged outlet for the Wyze plug. After we installed our Wyze plug, we tried it out on a variety of devices like a floor lamp, a small fan, a record player, an AC unit, and even my cat's water fountain. From what we saw, the Wyze plug is quick and responsive. It makes this awesome little clicking sound when you turn it off, so you know something special is about to happen. Whether you're on Team Google or Team Amazon, Wyze works with both. I've experimented with some Wyze products in the past and never really had problems pairing them with my Google Home Mini. While you're setting up, you might be prompted to pair your Wyze plug with Amazon Echo, but I don't have an Amazon Echo, so I can't really show you how it works myself, but I will show you how I paired mine with my Google Home Mini. Start in the Google Home app, then add a device. Look for that plus sign in the top left corner. Then choose Works with Google. Next, find Wyze. I already had Wyze stuff in my home, so it was at the top of the list. If you're new to Wyze, you can search for it and find it that way. Log into your Wyze account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, your Wyze plug's connected. Walk through the steps and you can make adjustments from there. After that's set up, you can control the device with your voice. We hope that answers your past questions, and let us know if it did or if it left you with even more in the comments below. As for our review of the Wyze plug, I guess you can say we're fans. Like and subscribe to SafeWyze here on YouTube for more videos like this one every week, including our series Weird Question Wednesday, where we answer your weird questions about smart home, safety, and security systems. We also have more about Wyze on safewyze.com, including reviews of their DIY home security system and their cameras. Check those out, we've got those linked in the description below. That's it for me. Thanks for watching and stay safe.